Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. And today, I'm going to show you how to change your time zone when you're using Tradingview. So once you have your Tradingview app on and you're logged in, on the upper right corner, look for the gear icon next to the quick search icon, as seen here. If for some reason you can't find it, just right-click on the chart and then look on the lower drop-down list until you see Settings. Now, once you've opened TradingView's setting menu, make sure you're in the tab symbol, as you can see here. Then, you can scroll down until you see Data Modification and then Time Zone. You can see, once you select the drop-down list next to Time Zone, feel free to choose any time zone you wish so that you can align with your current time zone and TradingView showing you the time frame for all buy and sell orders. Please don't forget to click Save to make sure that you've saved your current time zone of choice. Now, once you're done with that, feel free to close the settings menu and go ahead and resume your trading. And that's really it for now. If you learned something new, feel free to leave a like and comment down below for any inquiries or comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more quick and easy content, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.